Good afternoon, everyone. We are very proud to have you today at the opening groundbreaking ceremony for our new manufacturing facility here in Fort Erie, Ontario. So Siltech is not a household name, so you may be wondering who we are and what do we do. We are a Canadian, privately held, family-owned business. Essentially, we are a chemical research and manufacturing company. We started over 30 years ago where we initially did research to develop a series of unique organo-modified silicon surfactants and polymers for use in personal care and industrial applications.
You know, around the world, Ontario is known for our manufacturing might. If you want to produce something of high quality, you come here to Ontario and you prove that this is where you do it. And this is thanks to manufacturers like Siltech. So the team here at Siltech, they represent the best of what Premier Ford calls the Ontario spirit. It's a spirit of hard work, resilience, and innovation. And with a hard-working team like you have assembled, it isn't surprising to hear that you're continuing to grow. So of course it gives us great pleasure to acknowledge your $100 million investment in this new facility. So this new facility, of course, is the company's first in southwestern Ontario here, and it will help Siltech meet their growing demand and expand into new markets. You heard Rick talk about the fact that 60% of the products are exported, and you're just owed so much congratulations from all of us. And it's the new production technology here that will improve safety and reduce waste. We're just absolutely thrilled. As part of the investment, our government is providing a $5 million investment through our Southwestern Ontario Development Fund, which is one of our many regional development programs. So congratulations.
Well, this investment, which I now understand from Minister Fedeli, will exceed $100 million. It'll harness the power of new technology and advanced processes to produce a range of new products while creating dozens of new high-quality jobs. This investment represents a textbook example of how partnerships should function between the private sector, the province, and local government, and reference has been made to the Town of Fort Erie and also to the regional municipality of Niagara. We have our CAO who heads up our team. Ron Tripp is here with us today, and I'm always pleased to hear from Rick and others that we've had the cooperation, enthusiastic cooperation of local government.
That this is a community that is growing significantly. And we have opened over 90 businesses in Fort Erie, small businesses, large businesses, just since the pandemic began. And that's a tribute to the cooperation that takes place among the municipality, the region, and you're quite correct, Regional Councillor Tom Insin is here. He's been a big part of our work. And the other upper two levels of government, Wayne Gates, who is always in Fort Erie, spends more time here in Fort Erie than I think in the other two municipalities that he represents. And that's because we feed him well. But he's been a great supporter and he's always been on top of issues for us. So thank you, Wayne. And then the other partner here is Tony Baldinelli, the federal government. We spend a lot of time together and people wonder why that is, because we're a variety of political stripes. At the local level, it doesn't matter. People just want to know that you're working for them, and that's what we're doing. So thank you, Tony. Thank you, Wayne. Thank you, Tom.